So today's adventure, I am going to Farmersville again to get some magic cigarettes, if you will. Just sitting here thinking and pondering about the word future. Now, the word future can be, you can speak it and write it into existence. But behind all of that, there's this wonderful thing called action. You have to take action on the things that you talk about, because there's not going to be some type of magic wand that's just going to paint everything there for you and make everything happen. You actually got to put out the work. You got to put forth the effort in order to grow. And that's part of the growth process. But the things that you write down and speak about, go back and read what you are writing down. That way, when you go and read it just before you go to sleep, you're impregnating your subconscious mind. And a lot of people talk about subconscious minds. Joe Dispenza is one of them. Andrew Huberman is another one. Tony Robinson talks a lot about that, the unconscious or subconscious mind. You definitely want to get that going. Look into it, because it has a lot to do with like neuroscience and stuff like that too. It's not just one thing. It's a lot. I know that's pretty cool. It's an MR2 noise. But yeah, I mean, if you're serious about it, not wanting to change, then just look into those things and check them out. You see where it helps you, what it helps you out with in life. That's what I'm doing. I'm actually logged into DoorDash, but it's been dead for like almost 2 weeks. I haven't got one delivery. I haven't got one